Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm about to blow you guys away with another amazing video. You have been asking me about affiliate marketing. I've made a couple of videos about affiliate marketing, and I want you all to key to this video because in this video I'm going to show you the top affiliate marketing platforms, and I'm going to recommend platforms you should be looking out for and where you should be making your money by promoting people's products and making money without owning a product. So if it's your first time hearing about affiliate marketing platforms or reading about affiliate marketing, I really want you to stick to this video to the very end because you're going to learn how to make your next $1,000. My name is Joshua Ban. I'm so glad that you guys are coming back to my YouTube channel, and you found my YouTube channel if your first time. One of the things that we do in my YouTube channel and my community is that if it's your first time, we'll give you a warm welcome. Hey, welcome, and also encourage you to give this video a thumbs up and then subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification. That way you get to see amazing videos and quality videos like this ones when I publish them, right? So today is going to be an exciting moment, like a very powerful, interesting moment, and I don't want you to miss it. So lately I've been exploring, I've been talking about affiliate marketing. People have been jumping. I did a previous video just some days back that is super trending now, where I talked about why a lot of Nigerians are now becoming affiliate marketing and crypto experts. I spent a lot of time explaining why you see people talking affiliate marketing. If you're a Nigerian, you're watching this video, you see a lot of people talking about affiliate marketing. In another part of the country, people are also doing affiliate marketing. Go to YouTube now, there are thousands and millions of videos in affiliate marketing. And today I want to tell you the top affiliate marketing platforms if you're in Nigeria and in Africa and even outside the world, platforms that you can make money so fast from affiliating products, right? But I'm going to focus more for Nigerians and for people who are in Africa. So even if you're outside Africa, you can use this platform, of course, and also make money off it. So let's get started. The first question is, what is affiliate marketing? That's why I want to start that conversation. What's affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing basically is you trying to sell another person's product that someone took time to carve, to prepare, to build, to invest, and call developers. If it's a software, if it's a book, if it's a training, if it's a course, if it's a physical product, and you don't own it, you don't even buy it. All you know how to do is to tell people to buy this and do it the right way. People will buy it, and you get paid sometimes 50% of the sales price. So let's say product is being sold $1,000 and you sell it, you're going to earn 500 naira off it without owning the product. So that's amazing thing. So it's like starting up a business with zero capital. So I'm going to tell you guys platforms you need to look out for if in case you don't know those platforms and how to make money out of it. I'm going to start up with a couple of these platforms. So platform number one, are you ready for platform number one? Let's go. So the platform number one that I want to talk about affiliate marketing platform is, guess the platform. Guess the platform. StakeCut.com. So we will be looking at StakeCut.com. Amazing affiliate marketing platform. But I'm going to give you guys, for every platform I call up here, I'm going to give you guys a little background about the platform, right? So I don't just tell you this is XYZ, but I'm going to give you detailed explanation of the platform. So StakeCut is a platform, a company that is focused on providing and helping 100,000, you can see they wrote on their website, helping 100,000 Africans start online business and sell to the world without hassles, barriers, and limitations. So their platform is even beyond affiliate marketing platform. Their platform is helping you set up a profitable business yourself online and do the undoable, cut across borders. So providing you with a lot of solutions. They are building out this platform. This platform is about to launch, and what I'm super excited about this platform is that it's 100% free. Everything about the platform is free. You don't have to pay to become an affiliate. You don't have to pay to become a vendor. You don't have to pay any dime. All you need to do is hop on the platform, take the amazing products they're about to launch, they'll be listed on the platform and start selling. So my recommendation to be part of the first, currently now they have over 2,500 affiliates waiting to start promoting in their Telegram community. If I click on the join community now, it will take me to the Telegram community. I don't want to redirect right now, but when you come to this platform, go to StakeCut.com. You can get started. Currently now, they have not enabled the registration process, so I'll just open this on the new tab. We've not enabled the registration process. They're currently disabling because they want to finish up everything that has to do with the product. So you see coming, so if you click on get started, you should have been able to sign up But right now, you can join the community. They are launching very, very soon in the coming days. I'll be making video more about stick code very, very soon, because it's one of the most, in fact, it's an ultra modern affiliate marketing platform with amazing features. Minus the features that I'll be showing you very soon, and I'm going to talk about the tools, of course, on the platform. First thing you need to know is that it's not just an affiliate marketing platform, it's a platform that will help you build your online business around. So, but they're starting up with an affiliate marketing platform. So they said you are one click away from transforming your life. So the goal for this is for vendors, copy and paste the stake code and activate your affiliate network. That means that if you are a product owner, you really don't need to talk to anybody, come to the platform, copy the stake code, put it on your website, and affiliates start promoting your product. Simple as that. Just one line of code you put on your site, the product will be activated on the stake code platform, and you can start enjoying sales by affiliates. Thousands and thousands of affiliates that will come on the platform will become your distributors, help you sell out your product. So it's a two-way thing. We are helping vendors. Stake code is helping vendors who have amazing products, quality product, whether it's a digital product or a physical product, whatever kind of product, plug into the platform with just one line of code. You copy from stake code and put on your platform, and then the thousands of distributors who are called affiliates will start promoting your products, and then you will get sales while the affiliates also get commission. It's amazing, amazing technology we are building out. And then you can pick product and sell products and services. So they're also including where you can sell your services. So if, let's say, for example, you're a copywriter, you can sell your service on the platform, and people who help you say that your service will also get a commission for it. If you're a sales funnel builder, you can sell your service. If you do real services, you set up websites for people, you can sell your service on the stake code affiliate network. It's super crazy. Now they're also building out a payment processor. It's so crazy. Like this platform, I've not seen a Nigerian-based, African-based affiliate marketing platform that is that is doing anything close to what they call is building out there. They are building out the payment gateway that accept currency, any kind of payment from around the world. A special payment gateway, and it's so amazing, super amazing. And like I told you guys, it's 100% free for everyone. They're making it free for everyone, also making it a platform for everyone. So it's almost like a democratized system where you have this on the platform and where you have control, giving you control of the platform. Is super amazing. That's why I don't want you guys to miss it. I want you guys to make sure you join the community like ASAP. Now that you're watching the video, like really jump on to this platform. Then the words that now at your feet, become a stakeholder and unlock limited opportunity. This is so amazing. So, but the amazing thing is that they carefully have big hot in demand products that will be released on the platform, so they are not going to see kind of in quotes yama product, as Africans will call it, or like bad product, hot in demand products with proper sales processes. And I also learned that the stakeholder team will also be helping with that amazing funnels that will help affiliate drive massively to this product on the platform. And then amazing sales support and amazing. So you can do it as a full-time or as a part-time job for yourself. You have ownership of the platform. The Sena create a platform free. This is an amazing platform. So if you click on the join committee, you hop into the committee. So this is the top affiliate market platform I want to talk about in this video, and I'm going to proceed to talk about other ones, but this one I don't want you guys to miss it. So this is platform number 1. Let's go to platform number 2. Let's talk about Lenovo Flex. So the platform called Lenovo Flex, right? Lenovo Flex affiliate.com. They used to be lenoflex.com, but they now changed to lenoflexaffiliate.com, and it's a Nigerian-based affiliate marketing platform that's cut across Africa too, owned by Sam Harvard. That's his name, right? Sam Harvard, right? So they have their landing page. They sell products and services. Look at it. You can grow a 7-figure income online with our copy and paste system if you currently have no skills. So you can copy their strategies of selling products online. They have a video player here. Probably you might want to watch this and then promote courses on the platform. I think I have an account here to do a demo for you, but it's basically that. So let me see if I can log into my account here and see how that goes. I really don't know if I still have access to this account. Like I created an account a long time ago. I can't remember the login access, so pardon me, right? So but basically this is another platform with amazing stuff out there. Promote online courses on Lenovo Flex, promote high in demand software and earn. They currently have one software which is a funnel video or so. They set up like that. I don't know about all of this platform, but the platform real estate, I don't know where it's locked to, but on the Lenovo Flex affiliate platform, I'm going to basically see courses and programs to promote. I wish I was able to show you guys the dashboard area. I think there's a dashboard video somewhere. Let's see if there's any video of the dashboard. Oh, this video is not playing. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. I wanted to show you guys the dashboard area. I don't know if they have a video that shows the dashboard area in this place. Oh, is there a video? Oh, there's no video on that. So this is affiliate platform 2. The next affiliate platform I want to show you is the Expania affiliate marketing platform. Okay, so it says we distribute high value digital products. Let our network of high performing affiliates help you connect with millions of paying customers. So we basically help you sell out courses. They only allow courses and books, like digital courses and books on the platform currently. You can easily sell out these courses on the platform. So you get paid recommending high services. So these are some of their courses there: high score IELTS program, foreign copywriting, WhatsApp marketing, and all of those stuff programs on the platforms. You can do their FAQ, like review their FAQ, Expania, and that's like their frequently asked questions. They did it here, so you can probably just want to look out on this platform. Expania is currently one of the popular platforms right now, affiliate marketing platforms in Nigeria. A lot of Nigerians know Expania, and they've been up for quite some time now. So you can either be a vendor. If you want to become a vendor, you click on vendor and then you read through their instruction. They have strict instructions here. That means once you read the terms and conditions and all of this, so you provided with your URL, sales speed, and all of that. And then this platform, Expania, gives you 25,000 naira fee to pay as a vendor for you to use their platform. Every year you renew it 25,000. That means it's not free, it's paid. If you want to be an affiliate on the platform, you have to pay 10,000 naira. If you want to be an affiliate on the platform, you have to pay 10,000 naira every year to use their platform. But currently now, most of the affiliates on Expania will tell you to buy a 72 IG program, which is supposed to be a program that should show you how to do affiliate marketing. And then you have to buy that program, currently 60,000 naira or so. At the time of recording this video, something like that. You buy the program before you, then they'll now give you free access to the platform for 1 year. So you don't pay the 10,000 naira. If you pay the 60K, you don't pay the 10,000 naira. So that's most of the Expania affiliates will always want to sell you the 72 IG, because one, the commission is about 50% or so, I can't remember. They make off commission from the 50%, and then the final customer give you free access to affiliate on Expania. But if you don't want to buy the course of 60,000 naira or whatever the amount is, you can easily just walk up here, create an account, and pay 10,000 naira and start affiliating on the platform. So basically, that's how the platform works. So you have to pay. It's not a free affiliate marketing platform, right? So these are the top 3 platforms I mentioned right now that are really affiliate marketing platforms that is from Nigeria, Africa, that started from Nigeria and is cutting across Africa and beyond the world. But remember, let me go through it again. The first platform I mentioned was the Stakeout platform. Just a moment. The Stakeout platform, which is super amazing. Everything is free and amazing tools they are building out there. The next platform is the Lenovo Flex platform, which I also mentioned. So Lenovo Flex also have their membership program they sell. That if you buy it, it gives access to the platform and a lot of things. I wish there was a way to log into their dashboard areas, but maybe next time I'll make a video and show you inside the dashboard area. If you want me to make a video that will show you the dashboard area of all of these 3 platforms, let me know in the comment section. And then Expania, which is not free at all, you have to pay to use the platform. So these are the top 3 platforms, and I always want you guys to look at, especially for Stakeout. I'll be making more videos around Stakeout, and I'm super excited about the Stakeout product. I'm also part of the Stakeout family, and I want you guys to really look out for it and be part of it. It's going to be a massive movement. It's going to be a massive product. It's going to be amazing build outs of amazing things in the marketplace. So make sure you don't miss out Stakeout. Go to www.stakeout.com right now. Join the community. Be part of that. They're currently doing a free training for athletes who want to promote products on the platform. I don't want you to miss out in any of those. If you really got value in this video, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, you want me to start making more review videos about platforms and products and do my recommendations for you, let me also know in the comment section. And if you want me to come your way again very soon, in the comment section. However, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also turn on the notification button. I'd like to see you in my next video. Peace.